Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna do a quick review of OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone today, which is one of the best budget phones right now. Uh, and if you should buy this phone or not, because there are other strong competitor for this price segment like Redmi 13. So let's get started. So first off is its design and build quality. I don't know about the other color, but this black one, it looks very premium and feels premium. It has got this glass kind of body and it is absolutely good looking. So yeah, this design and build has to be one of the best selling points for this phone. And the next is display. The display is quite good and it is responsive with 90 Hz refresh rate. And to be honest, it feels and it looks like OLED, but it's not actually OLED. But yeah, the display is really great. I think the OnePlus calls it the sunlight display or something, and display is absolutely stunning because it has got full HD plus resolution, and media consumption on this phone would be so much fun. And in this price segment, I think it has got one of the most powerful CPU in this segment. It has got Dimensity 6020, which offers best performance in this price segment, whereas other have Helio G85 or something like that. So in terms of performance, this is very good, and it has I think it comes in only one variant, that is 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. But I think that's enough because yeah, 4 GB RAM might not be enough for everybody, but it has got that another extra 4 GB virtualized RAM, in which it uses storage as a RAM. So yeah, I think that should be enough. And yeah, so this phone, one of the major feature of this phone is its speaker also. It has got a dual speaker setup, one here and one at the top, I think right above the console camera. And this speaker is very good. You get great sound quality, and overall this phone is very good, and I think I recommend it. If you are a professional gamer, or if you do heavy gaming, I would not suggest this phone for you, because this is not a gaming phone. But you can do light gaming. I play Mobile Legends and PUBG and here and there, and yeah, you can do light gaming with smooth graphic settings, but you cannot do heavy games because you might experience some frame drops here and there, because it's still not a gaming phone. So I not recommend this for gaming. And right now my video quality might not be good because I'm recording from my old phone, which was an Infinix phone. But luckily this phone has got a great camera. Yeah, this phone has got a great camera. It is 50 megapixel, but offers one of the best um, image quality in this price segment. And yeah, but I'm talking about the rear camera. The front camera is just average. It is 8 megapixel front camera, so front camera is not that very impressive, but still the camera on this phone is better than others in the same segment. And about thermals, yeah, it does not get hot. I think it is pretty cool. Normally all of the times it is smooth, it does not get hot. And battery, so mm, the battery here is quite decent. It has got around I think 5000 mAh battery, but it does support a 33-watt superbook fast charging with USB Type C, so it charges very fast. So I think battery should not be a problem for most of the people, most of the users out there. So all in all, this phone is pretty good and I would recommend. But many people compare this with Redmi 13, and if it is better than the Redmi 13 or not. So I think this video is gonna be very long, so I have to explain it in a separate video, because I've got a whole lot of topic. I have a detailed comparison for Redmi 13 and OnePlus, and I think it depends. For some users, OnePlus, this model might be the best phone, while for some users, Redmi 13 might be the best. So if you want, I can make a video on that. But this is still a pretty good phone in itself. And another issue, or another like thing that worries people, is that does it have that green line issue or something. So regarding that, I have been using this phone for quite long, for quite few months, and I have not faced that issue. But uh, I have done my part of research, and yeah, it shouldn't be a problem. But if you still want a detailed video on that, if you still want detailed research that I have done on that, then I can of course make a video and bring it to you. But all in all, this phone is absolutely killing it. It has got the best design, it has got the best camera, it has got the best display, and it has got the best performance in this price range. But if you still want to compare it with other phone, and if you want a more detailed review on this with other phone, or about the green line issue or something, then yeah, I can bring that. uh, but for now, oh yeah, I almost forgot another important part of this phone, important feature of this phone, and that's the software. It has got zero to no bloatwares. It has got no bloatwares, and the software is very smooth, very smooth. Yeah, we all know OnePlus is known for its software, and the Oxygen OS it comes with has the best software based operating system. You can just feel it, no bloaters and very responsive. And it comes with Android 13 out of the box, but it has also received Android 14 update just recently, and I'm using Android 14 right now. Hopefully it also receives Android 15 update. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like this video.